Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome to another Kenny Han video. Didn't record an intro for this one, so we are just kind of jumping right into it. But I'm sorry, I have been extremely busy and exhausted over the last couple of weeks due to work and just future plans of this channel. Not gonna lie, I've been trying to be a little bit more smart with my finances and as well as content when it comes to this channel. I don't want this channel to just be a build channel where I just build the Supra, GX, or any future platform that I own. I want it to become a little bit more inclusive and a little bit more centered around, stuff I like to do, and hopefully me being able to tell stories around stuff I like to do to you guys. And so I just been brainstorming a lot on how do I pivot that into that type of stuff. Anyways, in this video, I know I said I wasn't going to make more videos on car parts and stuff like that and installs, but I have been hoarding these parts for so long, and I was like, you know what? F it. I'm just going to install them and make a video on them because, you gotta love that sweet content. And so in this video, I'm gonna be adding more goodies onto the A90 Supra. Also, did you guys know that a lot of you guys are watching my videos, but a lot of you guys are not subscribed to the channel? So please feel free to like and subscribe as we are trying to get to 10K subs by the end of the year. Road to 10K. I just want to shout out all the people that have been following me so far when this channel was first created. Your support really means, honestly, the world to me. And not gonna lie, I do feel really bad sometimes when I'm unable to upload videos for y'all because I really do love the fact that I get to share these stories with y'all. Anyways, hope you guys like this video. Hope you guys like the channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram because I post all of my daily updates on there. And as always, drive safe. Well, that comes at the end, but drive safe. Guys, my air filter is so dirty. I haven't cleaned it in like a while. And you're supposed to clean out your MST Intake air filter at least like every 20,000 miles. And then I think it's a replacement at like 30,000. And I'm at like 27, so I gotta clean it real quick. Guys, the thing is still so bloody hot. It's so bloody hot. Oh, it's bloody hot. Oof. Damn, that's dusty. Whew. Look at that. I don't know if you guys can see that, but this used to be like a bright red. Now it's like a dark maroon, which is pretty dusty. Let's wash this. I think this video just turned into an install. So this is my MST. Obviously, it's pretty dirty. However, I don't know if you guys remember, but I bought this Pro Ram air filter from Ram Air, and it is clearly a lot bigger than the MST. Now, the perks of that is this has actually been tested to actually give better throttle response, apparently, to the Supra. I don't know if it's actually true, but it is there. On top of that, bigger filter, more air, more whooshy noise. And if you want more whooshy noise, you gotta go with a bigger filter. And so I'm considering just installing this guy into here instead of just washing down that air filter, because might as well, right? You bought it, might as well actually at least try to install it. But the only problem is when I install this, like, it fits into the MST turbo inlet pipe, but I've been noticing that it's been getting contact with this, and so I'm wondering if I could just put tape over this and it'll fix it, or what, because I don't want more paint to flake off on the inside, but at the same time, I don't know if this actually fits in there without the heat shield, the air filter heat shield. And I don't want to run it without the air filter heat shield because this engine runs pretty hot and you're trying to at least mitigate the, IATs. So let me see if I can actually fit this on instead of cleaning out the MST filter. I don't think I can run the program air filter with the heat shield. I might just have to run it exposed for a little bit. Let me just try. Let's see how it goes. All right, guys, I don't know how we got here, but we're here. I took off essentially the whole intake, inlet pipe, piping. I took off the whole intake, and I broke off this guy. I already broke him off before, and I broke him off again, and so I gotta just electrical tape him onto the hose that attaches here. Good news is, for the piping, there's no oil. I mean, BMW engines, right? They tend to have oil that leaks in places that you don't want it to be. I also checked the turbo, no oil in the turbo housing, which is good. That means oil is going to the places where it should go. And now, since I have everything, the reason why I took this off is because I noticed that this was loose to the turbo housing. The turbo inlet pipe was loose, so I'm going to tighten it up again, reattach it. I'm honestly just thinking about considering going back to the stock airbox because it's just better. And maybe I'm just over the whooshy noises because I have to keep tightening this guy. But I'm gonna tighten everything up again, figure out this hosing situation, and then get the program filter in. And I think we're just gonna run it without the heat shield. Yes, I might lose some performance, but whatever, who cares?
Okay. 여기는 그냥 이렇게 있는 거야?
Okay, so for that, do you think if I put tape there, it would protect it?
Over here?
Yeah.
You don't need a tape, Sangya. You need a sponge or rubber because over here to make sound. You know what I'm saying? Put a sponge or rubber. Careful.
Alright guys, that is it for the video. I'm going to close it out here. Hope you guys liked watching the A90 Supra content. It is always so much fun working on the car. I mean, I'm not gonna lie, working on cars suck, but working on the A90 Supra because it's a newer, cleaner platform, it sucks less compared to this guy where there is a lot of rust on it. But whatever, that's life. Anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe. We are on the road to 10K subscribers by the end of the year. I really feel like we can hit that milestone. I am going to try to upload more videos more consistently now. Sorry, just dealing with life and stuff. But don't forget to also follow me on Instagram because I've been getting a lot of DMs from y'all regarding the GX, the Supra, even what do I do for a living. And I am heavily considering on making a Q&A video sometime in the near future. And when I do so, I'm gonna be posting up a questionnaire on my Instagram story. And so you guys can get your questions in then, and hopefully in the video, I can get them answered. All right, that's it. Hope you guys liked the video. As always, guys, drive safe. Peace.